So we're in Sweden, in Stockholm, and there is communal laundry spaces that you get access to as a renter or a property owner. And this is one of the laundry spaces. Also, there's somehow lights that come on in every room that you come into. Here I can actually see the little sensor, but it comes with 2 washers and a dryer and instructions how to do it. But it's really cool. So these are front load washers, and you can only put like 5 pounds of material in them, but it allows you to do laundry basically for free. You just bring your own detergent, which this is different too. Our host for Airbnb had it, and it's liquid detergent. You can kind of see it inside there. And then there's a sink, and there's places for all your brushes if that's something you need to get off. And all the plumbing is smartly put on the outside of the walls. That way, if there's ever any damaged pipes, you know exactly where to fix the problem. There's hangers, and then there's this machine. This does like fancy presses on sheets. I don't really know about it, but there's like 2 wooden spindles of some sort, and they allow you to put basically like waves in your clothing or your sheets. It's like a fancy Swedish thing called a kalmagal. I'm probably not saying that right. And trash, folding stations, and it's just a really clean space. So here's a little basket. My laundry should be done here soon, since we're traveling to Germany tomorrow. We're doing a load because we're staying on a houseboat, but this will be done, and it's at the right level so that you can just put your laundry out and then kind of move it over to the dryer. And the dryer is also a front loader. Someone else has clothes here, so they'll probably be back. Interestingly, you only get certain times where you can do laundry. Like I think you probably signed up for it. Our host had to come over and check for us on whether we could do laundry today, and so he signed us up for 4 o'clock. And you use this little like chip here to get you in. I guess it's not really in focus, but it gets you in, and then when you're done, you have to be done with your laundry by a certain time. There's a brush here on the side of this, probably to clear off the stuff that I just took off. A mop, I think that's in the wrong place, so I'll take it off. It goes in here. No, it goes here. And we'll put the broom back. It's like a Montessori bathroom, or a Montessori laundry room, rather. And this just grabs anything you put in it, I guess. Nope, not that. Oh. There. So I just wanted to share that with you. I think it's kind of neat, and there's all these apartments everywhere around us. So you have to share, but sharing's good. A lot of people don't have cars here, and a lot of people take public transit and do biking. There's tons of biking, and that's just really neat. See all the bikes over there. They're everywhere. And then all of the apartments have these like green spaces on the insides of them so that kids can play. And this one has a playground, but they're all different. They're like designed differently for each community, but they're all accessible to the public, which is really nice. And everyone shares them, so there's apartments and green space all in one, and it's literally like hopscotch. It's apartment, green space, apartment, green space, apartment, green space. Oh yeah, and kids walk around on their own, like everywhere in Sweden. Kids are everywhere on their own. Like, we saw a 5-year-old girl probably just riding her bike on the path, all alone. No parent nearby. They just have way different independence here, and yeah, it's pretty incredible. Today we saw, oh here, look, more kids, just going around in Sweden. Today we saw a crime. Someone stole a moped, or tried to steal a moped over here from 30, and we live up here, and I called the cops. Well, then they walked over here. They walked over here and tried to hotwire it, and they were unsuccessful. They went there and were unsuccessful, and the cops came, and they found the kids, and they got arrested. And so, crime solved, and now I'm gonna be interviewed by the police, so that'll be cool. Anyways, I just wanted to share Sweden's uniqueness. So have a great day.